The going has been good for our markets, right? Buy on dip strategy that has clearly been working out superbly. We are in uncharted territory. 22,700 has been claimed. Can we get to 23,000 in the next couple of weeks, sir?
Good morning, Suyash. So, if you want to see 23 in the next couple of weeks, yes, that is quite possible because that is the next level what we are watching for. But then precisely for this current week, I believe 22,800, that is the mark which we believe during the start of the week that can be the probable upside. To 22,800, there can be some resistance might come, resistance in the sense of profit booking because the derivatives data, the put call ratio is or slightly at the higher side. So 22,800, some profit booking cool off might get see during the week. But then if you speak of another 2, 3 kind weeks, then definitely I believe 23,000, 23,000 plus levels can be seen. Bias is quite extremely positive. 22,400, 22,200 remains the lower side support as well as the demand zone. So I think if there is a small correction in profit booking, one should look to add long trades because the bias is strictly extremely positive.
All right, and Nifty Bank has played a huge role in this drive up. And Nifty Bank, we had spoken about it. I remember last time you said that once 48,000 is broken, we'll see a quick move up towards 49,000 levels also. And that has pretty much played what's played out. We are nearing that 49,000 mark. I mean, 50,000, is that possibility anytime soon?
Yeah, I think directionally Bank Nifty is poised for 50,000 definitely. So the way 22 way I spoke for Nifty at 22,800, the same level for the Bank Nifty is 49,000. So a slight profit booking close to 49,000 is possible, but then directionally Bank Nifty is poised for 50,000 in the weekly time frame. The last week when the Bank Nifty has seen a close, it has clearly given a triangular pattern breakout in the weekly time frame. So definitely that momentum will be seen over the next few weeks. So bias is extremely positive. Immediate support, the breakout point was 48,000. So now I believe 48,000 is going to act as a support zone. And 49,000 should also be easily taken out, but some hurdles will be seen. But I have a sense that 49 will also be taken out and 50 should be the immediate levels to watch for.
Now, Bain Capital, the Boston-based equity firm, is offloading shares, as many as 3.34 crore shares in Axis Bank through a block deal, a sale that is of the tune of $431 million. Now, this is the second offloading of shares in Axis Bank that Bain Capital has done in the last 3-4 months. In December, it had offloaded as much as 1.1% of its stake in the bank. The size of that deal was 3,400 crores, and it had sold that at over double the price at which it had bought the stake in 2017. This time, the offer price is at a discount of 0.5%. When I look at the Axis Bank stock, not a very big performer in the last 1 month, the gains have been actually in the negative. What do you make of Axis Bank? Is it a big dip to buy on, or is there something else? Even in the last 1 year, only about 27% gains.
I think it's a dip on buy because if you see the structurally, even though there was a selling in the Bank Nifty, it has not performed. It has never broken the demand zone or it has never came below these support levels. So all this while when the Axis Bank was correcting, even if I do look when the recently when the Bank Nifty was not performing, it never broke 200-day moving average, and the mark of 200-day moving is 1030 level. So it has respected those points. So I don't think there is any near-term weakness. And if one has to believe that Bank Nifty has to rally 50,000, so somewhere Axis Bank has to contribute to that. So whatever the previous level 1150, 1160. So I think that levels will be seen in Axis Bank if Bank Nifty goes to 50,000. So definitely one as a trader, I would be like willing to take a buy trade in the Axis Bank.
All right, and another stock that is likely to see a block deal today is Gland Pharma, Brijesh. According to reports, two entities linked to former promoter are likely to offload 150 million worth of shares via block deal. The block deal is being launched at a floor price of 1725 rupees per share, which is about a 7% discount to yesterday's closing price. And looking at the stock yesterday, it rallied by almost 6% after this the company got a nod from US FDA for its generic breast cancer drug. The volumes were also quite good, Brijesh, but this morning we have reversed all the gains and then some. The stock is down about 5-6%. I mean, do you think it will take support at the block deal flow price of about 1725, or will we see more correction from here on?
If I purely look from the charts perspective, Suyash, then I think there has been a distribution over the last 1 month. During the entire series of March, there has been selling in the counter. And I think yesterday, before the result, before the news, there was some good tick, but then buying some good signals were there. But then that thing is entirely taken down today. And if I look from the technical, if I see the averages, then it is pointing downward. So 1700 is likely to be broken in the near term. So definitely this doesn't remain a buy pick. I can sense that the 1700 might be broken, 1650, 1600. This would be the range where this may get settled. So once we see those level, then we again review and understand whether is a good trade setup or something like that. But right now at this structure, definitely I believe that this it might there are high probability that 1700 will be broken down.
Gland Pharma likely to break 1700. But Brijesh, what are your picks for our investors today?
Yeah. So my pick is one second. So it's more of a trading and a positional bet. So Gujarat Gas is a trading bet. I think it's giving a range breakout. So one can go long at the current price, but the stop loss would be 552 for the target of 610. The one can also take this position in the FNO space also, because we have an entire month now. So I think it's look quite promising. Next one is PNC Infra from the cash mid cap space. It's a little bit of larger time frame. One can go long at current price with a stop loss of 441 for the target of 545. Some 15-20% kind of a returns can be seen in PNC Infra. So it's a little longer time frame. Then again, escorts. Escorts is something which we are again looking from the month's point of view. I think we can easily bet for 15-20%. It's very good. It's a falling channel breakout. From the technical perspective, RSA is one of the indicators. It's giving a range breakout. So the delivery volumes are quite good in escorts. So escorts buy at the current price for the target of 3300. And lastly, one more the trading pick is Bharat Forge at the current price with a stop loss of 1136 for the target of 1300.